Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent a Google app to show banner notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to go to notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the banner menu. And here you have our list with applications, but first we need to enable them. So at the top we have the main switch, and now here we can look for our app. So we are looking for the Google. There it is. We can enable or disable our notifications here. Of course, if we scroll down, here we have notifications, blocked applications, so we can search here as well. And that's all. Bye.